Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you all?
I'm fine. Sir, how are you?
I'm also fine, beta. Thank you for asking. So, beta, today on 20th of May 2024, we have come here for a library visit, which we have on the third Monday of every month. So, this is your library. The name of this library is
Maulana Muhammad Ishaq Library.
Maulana Muhammad Ishaq Library. Wait. Adjacent to it is Jalal Baba Auditorium. Fine. So this is the library, and downstairs is the library. Upstairs is the bookshop as well. You can, if you want to buy the books, you can go upstairs and you will buy the books as well. Fine. Acha. Beta, in this library, you are not allowed to talk to anybody. Adeen, beta, nobody is going to talk to anybody. Hashim, baat nahi karni beta. Zaviar, we will not talk to anybody. Hira, Minal, Zainab, Safa, Adeen, Ikra, Marwa, Muzammil, Zakriya, Hassan, Abu Zar, Nasir, Sumyan, Abdullah, Alian and Fad. Nobody is going to talk to anybody. Fine. If you have to talk, you can talk to the group leader. The name of the group leader A is Samir and the name of the group leader B is Saad. So if you have to talk, you can talk to him. Okay, either you can talk to Saad or you can talk to Samir. Rest, you should only be reading the books. Fine. If you will need the water or you will need to go to the toilet, all the facilities are available over there. बाथरूम जाना हुआ या पानी पीना हुआ वो आपको मिल जाएगा, लेकिन बात किसी ने किसी से नहीं करनी. Fine. So we will go there at 2 o'clock and then 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock till 5:30 we will be inside the library for 3.5 hours. And then at 5:30 we will go back to the school. We will have to reach the school before 6 o'clock. 6 बजे से पहले हमने वापस पहुंच जाना है. Okay? Thank you. दरवाजे के बाहर खड़े हो. Stop, Muzammil. Dua, sit. Keep sitting. ऊपर जाए खड़े हो. Make a line. Make a line.
चलाने के क्या पाना वो मैंने समझ रखा नहीं है.
Beta, in the library what happens is that we have lots and lots of books, too many books. So what we do, we divide the books into categories. Okay, here if you see this portion, this category is the category that belongs to the books which are written by or written about Allama Iqbal. All these books this whole section. If you can read Iqbaliyat till here, okay, Iqbaliyat, all these books belong to Iqbal, Allama Iqbal. Either they are written by him or they are written about him. या उन्होंने खुद लिखी हैं या उनके बारे में लिखी गई हैं. Then we have the history section. Anybody can tell me what history is? What do we study in history? Adeen?
इसमें
पहले ज़माने के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. About history, तारीख के बारे में, right? So we read about the history. Okay, so this portion is of history. Then this portion is about law. Anybody from this side can tell me what we study in law? Law में हम किस चीज़ को पढ़ते हैं? ये साथ कानून को पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, अदालत के बारे में, कचहरी के बारे में, कावानीन जो बनते हैं. ठीक है, this is all about the portion that relates to law. Then this portion, yes, who said it? Yes, Hassan. Say it again.
एजुकेशन.
Education. So all the books related to education. How we need to teach you. हमें आपको कैसे पढ़ाना चाहिए. Okay, about the approaches, the methodologies that are used in teaching you. Okay. Then there is, yes, come again. Computer science. All the books related to computer science. Like Ma'am Natasha has done masters in computer science. So all the books which she has read, all the books are in this portion. Okay, all the books in this portion will relate to computer science. Then, so there are so many portions. If you go downstairs, you will see there will be Iqbaliyat, history, law, education, computer science, biology, chemistry, physics, general science, poetry, so reading, readers, literature, so many portions, so many categories will be there. Okay, so then you see in the education portion they have put all the books which are suitable for your age as well. That is for the kids literature, जो बच्चों का literature है. ठीक है, वो भी आप लोग read कर सकते हैं. So Natasha, kindly help them, give them one book each. Those who are sensible enough, like Adeen and Farhan and Samir and Saad, better you can go and pick up one of the books. Okay, Adeen, you may also go. You can take a book of your own choice. Again, beta. Teach you. I'm going to teach you how to turn the page. Don't do it like this. No, don't do that. When you have read it till here and you want to turn around the page, you need to hold the from the upper corner and do it like this. The minimum of the sound. Once this you have read, then you will reach here and then like this. Fine? Kindly do it like this. All of you, one by one. Yes, ma'am. First, Ikra, you do it with me. Now, Dean, it's your turn. Okay, then Dua. No, Dean, you didn't do it correctly. Better do it once. No, the next page you can do. Now that's more like it. Good. Dua, do it. Yes. Oh, very nice. Yes. Yes, Zakaria. Okay, very nice, Zavia. Hold it from here. Yes. No, do it again. Do it again. Do it like this. Hold it from here. Yes. From here. From here. Yes. Do it like this. Okay, yes. Hashim. Turn the page around. Do it like this. Oh, very nice. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Yeah. Yes, that's how we turn the page around. Yes, very good. Yes, Marwa, how we are going to turn the page around like this. Yes, Safa, it's your turn now. Zainab, can you do it now? Zainab, No, beta. From the top. From the top corner. No, beta. From the top corner. Okay, thank you. Now from this side. Yes, Abu Zar, kindly turn the page around. Yes. Yes, Nasir. Nasir. No, beta. From the top corner. From here. Yes. Yes, now. Yes, Hassan. Okay, nice. Yes, Samson. Very nice. Yes, Fahad. This is how we turn the page. No, from the top. From the top. No? Yes. Yes, now. Very nice. Better. Yes, Fahad. No. Still you are producing the sound. Without the song. You see? All you need to do like this. Do it once again. Okay, nice. Yes, come on. Sal. Yes, Samir. Very nice. Yes, Muzammil. No, beta, Muzammil, how did I teach you? Muzammil, how did I teach you, beta? Muzammil, how did I teach you? बेटा आप उस वक्त से जिस वक्त 20 लोग कर रहे थे तो आप कहाँ पे सोए हुए थे? आप उस वक्त से क्या कर रहे थे? जी मुजम्मिल, आप सुन रहे हो, देख रहे हो या नहीं देख रहे हो? Dean, how are you? You're fine. Which book you are reading, Betty?
History.
History book. And did you get the book of your own choice? You are liking it? Okay. Once you are finished, if you want to read another book, you can exchange your book. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question.
You have a question? Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of falsafa?
What is the meaning of
Falsafa.
falsafa? Falsafa is a subject like science. When we say that there are science books, there are falsafa books as well. Falsafa is the Urdu word. In English, we call it philosophy. Okay? Falsafa.
Philosophy.
And what does it mean? साइंस में आप क्या पढ़ नहीं, साइंस इज़ वन फील्ड, फिलॉसफी इज़ अनदर फील्ड. साइंस में आप नेचर को सिस्टमेटिकली स्टडी करते हैं, और फिलॉसफी में क्या स्टडी करते हैं? यू डोंट नो. सो इन साइंस वी स्टडी द नेचर, एंड इन साइंस व्हाट वी स्टडी द नेचर. पूरी की पूरी कायनात को हम पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, ठीक है. और फिलॉसफी में हम इससे भी ज़्यादा डीप जाने की कोशिश करते हैं. साइंस को, जो साइंस हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देती है, हमें साइंस ये कहती है कि ये लाइट कैसे बनी. ये लाइट किसने बना के दी हमें? साइंस ने. जिनने साइंस पढ़ी उन्हें लाइट बना के दी. अब इसके बारे में आप मज़ीद जानना चाहते हो तो ये आप किस में पढ़ेंगे? फिलॉसफी में. फाइन, थैंक यू. अच्छा हसन, देयर इज़ वन मोर एस्पेक्ट टू इट एज वेल, दैट एवरी सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट वाज फिलॉसफी. साइंस भी एक वक्त में फिलॉसफी का ही एक हिस्सा थी. ओके, आज से 1000 साल पहले आप जाएं तो साइंस भी फिलॉसफी का हिस्सा थी. ओके, लेकिन फिर क्या हुआ? जब साइंस के अंदर हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा आ गई तो हमने फ़िलॉसफी से हटा के उसको साइंस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. फिर साइंस के अंदर फ़िज़िक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स अलग हो गए. पहले ये सारे फ़लसफ़े का ही हिस्सा होते थे, ठीक है. अभी भी बहुत से सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो फ़िलॉसफी के अंदर पढ़े जाते हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है कि कल जब उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन आ जाए तो फिर वो किस में आ जाएंगे?
साइंस
साइंस में। ओके, साइंस में आ जाएंगे, फिलॉसफी से हट जाएंगे। थैंक यू। यू आर गोइंग टू कम नेक्स्ट टाइम, you are going to bring your own notebooks as well. Okay, one pencil and your notebook. On that notebook you are going to write about those words which you were not able to understand, and when you will go back home you can ask the question as well. Okay, like Hassan asked me what is philosophy, again he asked me what is barristery. Okay, all of you know what barristery is? When you study law, then you can become a lawyer, you can become a barrister, you can become a judge. ठीक है, तो लॉ पढ़ के आप लॉयर भी बन सकते हैं, बैरिस्टर भी बन सकते हैं और आप जज भी बन सकते हैं। तो बैरिस्ट्री कौन सी फील्ड है जो लॉ पढ़ने के बाद आप करते हो और फिर उसके बाद आप बैरिस्टर बन जाते हो, लॉयर बन जाते हो, जज बन सकते हो। सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन। सो एनी क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड, एनी वर्ड विच यू डोंट नो, यू कैन राइट इट ऑन your notebook. So next time be prepared. Next time we are going to come here on 17th of June 2024, the third Monday of the month of June. Okay, yes Hassan, any other question? No? To the bookshop as well. As I told you that we have the books. When we were entering in the library, I told you that there is one library portion of this area. Then there is the auditorium as well, and then I told you that there is the bookshop as well. Downstairs was the library in which you could only read the books. Then next to it, that upstairs you have the bookshop from which you can buy the books as well. So we went to buy the books, and Zakaria, beta, which book have you bought? Can you show it to me? Close up. Close up. Hazrat Usman Razila Ta'ala Anhu ka Khab. What was the price of the book, beta?
10
rupees 10. So you see, you could buy this book at the cost of rupees 10. 10 rupees की इन्होंने ये वाली बुक परचेज की है. It's a very good book. You see, so many pages it has and so much content. And it is written by a famous writer by the name of Chirag Hasan Hasrat. Okay, so good beta. Zakaria. Yes, Savya. Have you bought the book? Okay. He has bought another book by the same writer, Baba Abdullah or Darwesh. Okay, beta, what is the cost of this book?
10
Rupees 10. Again, he was able to buy a book at the cost of rupees 10. Beta, in 10 rupees you can eat good food. In 10 rupees you can buy good books. 10 rupees is still something. Even you can buy the books at the cost of rupees 5 as well. आप 5 रुपए में भी इतनी अच्छी बुक ले सकते हो कि आपकी एज में आपके, मेरे ख्याल में आपका 1 मंथ तो लग जाएगा उसको ख़त्म करते हुए. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ, व्हेन वी विल कम बैक हियर इन द मंथ ऑफ जून, अगेन आई विल आस्क यू वेदर यू हैव रेड द बुक्स और नॉट. Okay. Now you see Chirag Hasan Nasr Ataturk, Mustafa Kamal Pasha. His complete name is Mustafa Kamal Pasha, also known as Ataturk. Ataturk means father of Turkey. तुर्की का बाप. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कायद आज़म इज द फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. सो मुस्तफ़ा कमाल पाशा वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ टर्की. तुर्की का बाप कहा जाता है उनको. ठीक है. दैट इज सो गुड. ओके. यस बेटा. सुमयान. यस बेटी यू. नाउ रेस्ट यू कैन गो एंड सिट बैक एट Ertugrul. All of you have heard about Ertugrul.
Yes, sir.
Ertugrul or Ertugrul. So she has bought. And again, what is the cost of this book? कितने की मिली आपको? 10 rupees. Again, the cost of the book is rupees 10. Fine, very good. इनके ऊपर लगा. Okay, Minal of class 4. Yes, Adeen of class 5. Dukhiara Shahzada. What is the cost of the book? 10 rupees, right? So you see, he has bought the book at the cost of rupees 10. You see, plenty of text. Okay, good. Thank you, Kadeem. Then Ikra. This is Ikra of class 5. That was Usman Azadano Kathab, the same book, which was bought by Zaviyar, I guess. Yes, Marwa. Ataturk again. Good. Yes, Saad. Okay, now you see, Saad is in class 8. He has bought a book according to his class. You see, Natia Kalam. Abul Tahir Fida Hussain Fida. It is the collection of poetry, as you can see. What is the cost of the book? 110. The cost of this book is rupees 110. The actual cost is like 300 to 400, but since it is at a discounted price, they are giving a discount of like 50% or 60% or sometimes 70% as well. So it is hard binding as well. Good. Okay, sir. And then Farhan of class 8, Shakil Badrwani, Muntakhib Kalam. It is also a collection of poetry, as you can see. खुद फरेबिए दिल नादां तेरे निसार तशबीह दे रहे हैं जफा को वफा से हम. नाइस पोएट्री. Okay, good, Farhan. Okay, those of you who were not able to buy any books, I am going to give one book each to all of you. Okay? Those of you who did not have enough money, जिनके पास पैसे नहीं थे, इस वजह से भी वो नहीं खरीद पाए. So we are going to give you the books, okay? Because you have put a lot of effort by coming here. Okay, those of you who did not receive any of the books, or even those who have received the books, this is one book is from the Grow School. Okay? The Grow School की तरफ से आपको एक book हम free of cost दे रहे हैं, so that you should go back home and you should have something to read. ताकि आपके पास कुछ हो, ताकि आप घर में जाके भी पढ़ सकें. Okay, one by one you need to come to me. Yes, Alyan, come here. Okay, this is your book. Fahad of class 4, kindly come, take this book. And then Sumyan, kindly come, take this book with her. This is from the school. Yes, next Hassan, kindly come here with me. Thank you. Yes, Nasir, kindly come here. Take this book. And do study it with her. Okay, try to read it. Yes, Abu Zar, kindly come here. Okay, this is your book. Yes, Saad, kindly come here. Even when you are in class 8, you will find plenty of good information. It's not just for class 1, 2, and 3. Even at the level of class 8, it's a very good piece of book. Okay, plenty of information. Yes, you're welcome. Farhan, kindly come here. Farhan, this is your book. Thank you for coming. Yes, Abdullah, kindly come. Yes, beta. Class third, Abdullah. Next, Muzammil, kindly come. It is your book. Kindly read it, and then when we are going to meet the next month, I will ask about it. Okay? Okay, yes. No, you can come from here. Zavia, kindly come here, beta. This is your book. You're welcome. Zavia of class 4. Now, Satya of class 3rd. Yes, beta, it is your book. Thank you. Dua, kindly come here, beta. Come here. Dua of class KG, and you take the book. Yes, Ateen, can you come here? Ateen, you had Bukara Shazata, now you have Ataturk as well. So, I will ask you, who was Ataturk? With all those Abdullah who are here, I will ask you the next month who was Mustafa Kumar Pasha Ataturk. Okay. Yes, Ateen of class 5, you are welcome with you. Next, Ikra, can you come here? Ikra, this is your book, Ikra of class 5, and you take it and read it. Thank you. Yes, Zainab? Zainab of class 1, kindly take this book and read it. Thank you. Yes, Safa, can you come here? Safa of class 3rd. Safa, can you take your book? Thank you. Thank you for coming. Yes, Nafa, can you come here? Marwa, Sabine of class 3rd. Marwa, can you take your book and read it? Thank you. You're welcome. Minal, can you come here? First you had Tasawwur already, now I'm going to give you Ataturk. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Minal of class 4. Yes, Hira, can you come here? Hira of class 4, can you take this book and read it? Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, Hashim, come here. Hashim, this is your book, Peter. You're going to read it, okay? Then we will talk about it the next June, next month. Okay, thank you. So all of you got your books. Samir, you are making a video return. So you did not get the book. So Kadeem, kindly you come here and take the mobile so that I can hand one book over to Samir as well. Take the mobile. Start making the video. You should hold the mobile in such a way that I am telling the video as well and Samir should be getting the video. Okay, Samir, thank you. Thank you for holding the mobile and making the video. This book is for you. Okay, you like reading books as well. So definitely I am going to ask you the next one. What was this book all about? We will talk about it. Okay, Beta? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
मुझे दे दे
वो आप तो कह रहे हैं कि आप लूजर हैं। नजर ओके बेटा स्टॉप आपको किसने कहा 5 है